Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is fill in my missing angle measures. So first I know that this angle has to be 45 degrees because it's part of the special right triangle 45, 45, 90, and then this one has to be 30 because it's part of the 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then the first thing I'm going to do is recognize that the piece of information I've been given is 12 root 3 on the 45 angle side. So this 45-degree angle points to this side. So I know that that is on the 45-degree angle side, and I am trying to get it to this hypotenuse. And this is the hypotenuse for this triangle and this triangle, and so that is where the right angles point. And so since I know that for a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the ratio is 1 to 1 to root 2, I know that if I want to get this from this side up to here, I'm going to have to multiply it by root 2. So I'm going to go 12 root 3 times root 2, and then I'm going to divide by root 2 on both sides. And then I know that these two cancel out and become regular 2, and then 12 stays the same, and then 3 times 2 is 6, so I get 12 root 6 divided by 2, and I can simplify this since they're both whole numbers. 12 divided by 2 is 6 root 6. So now I know that my length for this hypotenuse, the hypotenuse of both triangles, is 6 root 6. Now the next thing I have to do is, since I'm trying to find this x right here, and that is across from the 30-degree angle, and I know that a 30, 60, 90 triangle has ratios of x to x root 3 to 2x. So I know that if I'm trying to get it from the 90 over to the 30, I'm going to have to divide by 2, since the 90 side is double the 30 side. So I'm going to take 6 root 6, divide that by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then I know that root 6 stays the same. So now I know that x equals 3 root 6. Okay, and that's how I solved for x.